Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we shall discuss the meaning of a large cap, mid cap and a small cap company. As such, there is no fixed definition of what a large cap company is, and it varies from market to market. As a general rule in India, if a company has got a market capitalization of more than 5,000 crore rupees, we consider it to be a large cap company. Normally saying a large cap company is a dominating player in its industry and has got a stable growth rate. It should also be noted that almost all large cap companies from India would be considered mid cap companies in other global markets, as globally large cap companies are defined as those that have got a market capitalization of more than $10 billion or 65,000 crore rupees. So typically investors with a low appetite for risk invest in large cap companies. These companies are predictable and carry lower volatility. Mid cap, just like large cap, the definition is quite hazy and again it varies from market to market. In India, as a general rule, if a company has got a market capitalization anywhere between 1000 to 5000 crore rupees, we consider it as a mid cap company. A mid-cap company is an emerging player in the market. Such a company has got the potential to grow fast and become a leader in the very near future. These companies can show very high growth rate in terms of percentage because they have got a small base. Investors with a reasonable tolerance for risk typically invest in mid-cap companies as these are emerging companies. If one chooses correctly, mid-cap companies can give fantastic returns when they grow and become industry leaders. However, picking the right mid-cap company requires a lot of research and expertise. These companies can take years to bloom and grow into a large company. And just like large cap and mid cap companies, the definition of small cap is also not concrete. It again varies from one market to another. The general rule is if a company has got a market capitalization of less than 1000 crores, we consider it to be a small cap company. A small cap company is normally a company that is just starting out and has got moderate to very high growth rate in the initial life cycle. Such a company has got potential to grow fast and then become a mid cap company in the near future. Investors having a high risk appetite typically invest in small cap companies because these companies are in the initial stages of their life cycle. There is usually a very high degree of unpredictability. Thank you so much for watching this video. We would be happy if you like, share this video with your friends. Also, you can share your comments and any other topics that you want us to make a video on in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you so much.